We've got to be a party for a better future.
You see new ideas in there that have not been a part of your own agenda or those of your Republican predecessors that might reignite the party's fortunes?
I think that we shouldn't change our philosophy.
Right.
We may want to change our messaging. We definitely want to change messengers. We need a new group of leaders. But the idea of keeping taxes low.
You see any emerging?
Well, I had one in mind.
Who's that?
But he evidently didn't agree with his older brother.
You're speaking
that would be Governor Jeb Bush.
Right.
But listen, there will be, leaders. I mean, there's a lot of bright young guys and women in our party that will emerge. And parties go through cycles. There have been times in our political history when the Democrats have felt like there was no future for them. And and so I'm optimistic about it. I don't want the party to feel like it's got to sell its soul on defending the country, that freedom is transformative, that we've got to be compassionate conservatives, that low taxes make sense, that the military needs to be supported. I mean, there's a lot of just basic tenets to our party that make a lot of sense to the average person.